Baseball fans, collectors, and those who just love Ernie Harwell can get a bit closer to the Detroit legend this weekend with an auction of his memorabilia.
7 Action News reporter Michael Rosenfield gives us a preview.
From baseball signed by Mickey Mantle and Ty Cobb to seats from Tiger Stadium, what's left of Ernie Harwell's estate goes up for grabs tomorrow.
It's something that everyone that's a sports fan or just a fan of Ernie's would want to come to.
Countless people listened to Harwell broadcast baseball games for decades, and now fans can have a personal piece of the Detroit icon, from his mortgage papers to his last driver's license and even a frequent flyer card, the personal trunk he traveled with, and music he recorded with longtime friend and former Tigers pitcher Denny McLain.
Well, Ernie and I wrote a lot of songs together. People don't know that. We obviously didn't make the top 40. And Ernie was into this country and western thing anyway. But we wrote a lot of songs together on the road. We have spent many hours on the road together, had a great time.
A portion of the proceeds from the auction will go to the Ernie Harwell Foundation, which helps with scholarship money for deserving students. Ernie's son Bill says it isn't difficult to part with so much of his father's collection.
For me, it's not. I don't remember my dad by the stuff I kept.
The auction begins at noon Saturday at the Comfort Inn in Farmington Hills. I'm Michael Rosenfield, 7 Action News.